Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Blah blah. Carrot next to a backpack. It's a ranger's best friend. Hen, a hearty chicken breed be twice as tasty as its cousin on Earth. That is really nice. Bogo fruit, dry reef, a coral-crusted ocean floor that now basks under a golden sun. Rooster. Kidnapping, abduction, murder, question mark. Yeah. You know. Why did I... Well... It doesn't really matter. Oh, a star mail from Casey. How lovely. Move! My food. My food. Move. Oh my gosh. Why am I feeding you? Oh cool, a party Gordo. Oh cool, party Gordo. Sadly, I can't reach it though. Up. Up. No. Why am I up here? Like, what? Oh my gosh. Yeah, feed it. Feed the rock Gordo. Do I even have enough money to buy a jetpack? That's what it's called. Right, I forgot. Eat. You're in captivity. Eat! Oh my gosh, do you need help with that? You should have just let it be. Thank you. Oh my gosh. It costs that much to use a jetpack? When? When did it cost that much to use the jetpack? My gosh, the energy just fled. Gone, just like that. Poof.